Okay, guys, so who told you adulting is difficult? Huh? Adulting is not difficult at all, guys. I'm telling you this. You know, because adulting is weird. Yes, you heard it right. Adulting is weird. Like, what is it? One day you are all fine, you are grateful for life, you are having the best day of your life, and then there is this small thing that goes through your mind, and you are like, what am I actually doing with my life? Like, people my age genuinely are traveling the world. They are making lakhs per month. They are making their parents proud. They have a perfectly good love life. Not all, but yeah, mostly. And then they have their perfect GPA, CGPAs, and they are scoring very good in their academics. Everything is just perfect for them according to our eyes, which I feel. Okay, but all these thought, like, and you are just sitting like, bro, shut the fuck up, let me enjoy my day. Okay, so the thing is, it is not like you guys are not trying. You are trying, I am trying. We sit to study, we make plans, we make to-do lists, we do our best even on the days when we don't feel like doing, or when it's hard to even get out of bed. You are lazy, you are unmotivated. Kabhi kabhi it's fine to have rest, but seeing all these people feel like, "Ki, am I working enough, or am I on the right path? Is it सचमुच जो मुझे करना था? Am I going in the right direction, or it is just like कब तक ये चीज़ें चलने वाली है? कब मैं उस इंसान की जगह होंगी जिसको मैं इतना अभी रोमांटिसाइज और फैंटिसाइज कर रही हूँ, लाइक यू नो उस पर्सन की जगह वो जो बोल रहा है, हे गाइस, आई एम मेकिंग 1 lakh a month, so let me show you how I did all of this. Yeah, like this next month I'm planning to go Paris, or like Bali or Thailand, something like that. So long run में it is exhausting, but it is your thoughts, और I feel like कि हमें ही control करने होंगे. Even though at night all these of the things gets even worse, you're just lying there and suddenly your brain goes all the spiraling thoughts I have said previously, and you just think about all of your life and recaps all of your embarrassing moments, all of your funny or shitty moments, and you're like, why I was like this, man. And like that thought, or like that comeback you must have said, वो replay होता है, और you just go like this, और फिर हम सो जाते हैं, पता नहीं चलता, next day we are back to our normal lives. Like, maybe nobody actually knows what's going उनकी लाइफ में. If I am seeing someone, he is doing better in a particular area of field, maybe they are suffering in someone else, or maybe if they are not suffering, they are just like me, जिनको अभी भी वो चीज़ें इनफ नहीं लग रही है. आई होप लाइफ के साथ एक मैनुअल कार्ड आता है, दैट गाइडेड मैनुअल जस्ट फॉर एडल्टिंग. आई थिंक तो वो चीज़ें थोड़ी और ज़्यादा सिंप्लीफाई हो जाती. नॉट सिंप्लीफाई इन अ वे, क्योंकि लाइक सिंपल तो कुछ नहीं होता है, बट सिंप्लीफाई इन अ वे यू आर जस्ट लाइक कॉन्फिडेंट इन योर सेल्फ, यू आर मोर अवेयर अबाउट योर सेल्फ. ठीक है, and we feel like everyone is like this only. I genuinely feel it. I hope so it's not just me. And the thing I have realized, it's just a phase where we are trying, we are learning, we are messing things up, we are learning new things, we are growing into something much more better version of ourselves. We are outgrowing our old parts, learning to create boundaries, how to protect our inner peace, and the main things, like we are just trying to be a better version of ourselves, healing our inner kids. And I guess in the end, that is all where it actually all matters. Not money, not where you are going, where you are traveling. I guess it's all that, that chota bacha inside all of our hearts, who is figuring out life, who is seeing all of these things. सो मे बी एडल्टिंग इज़ नॉट अबाउट बीइंग परफेक्ट, जो हम एक्चुअली चेज़ करते हैं तभी हमारे मन में इतने सारे थॉट्स, इतनी सारी कन्फ्यूजन, इतना ज़्यादा सेल्फ डाउट। आई नो दैट डिडंट लास्ट लॉन्ग, वो सारी इतनी चीज़ें देर तक नहीं रहती है, बट you know we just have to be more focused, more happy in our life, or it's not giving about कौन कितना कर रहा है, इट्स अबाउट अप्रिशिएटिंग वेयर एवर यू आर इन योर लाइफ। मे बी जैसे मैं हूँ, आई टेंड टू ट्राई टू डू थिंग्स, बट कभी कभी नहीं हो पाता, कभी कभी क्या मोस्टली जब तक बिल्कुल ऐसे डेडलाइन पास नहीं आती, बट एट द एंड जब मुझे वो चीज़ करनी पड़ती है तो आई फील लाइक इट्स ओनली मी जिसने वो चीज़ करी है, तो आई शुड बी लाइक थैंक्स, ऑल थैंक्स टू माई सेल्फ कि हाँ वो मैंने चीज़ करी, क्योंकि एंड आई हैव जेन्युइनली नो राइट टू लाइक कंपेयर माई सेल्फ टू किसी और की स्टोरी और किसी और को मुझसे कंपेयर करना, बिकॉज इट्स माइन। और सो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू से कि इट्स जस्ट नॉट अबाउट गिविंग अप ऑन योर सेल्फ और फीलिंग लाइक यू आर बिहाइंड जस्ट बिकॉज तुमने वो पर्टिकुलर चीज़ अचीव नहीं करी जो किसी और के पास है। इट्स जस्ट यू हैव अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी, you are your own favorite kiddo, you have a different way of thinking, of analyzing things or doing things in your own way, and honestly we all are just pretending a little bit and figuring out as we go, like ki it is all fine, and I guess pretending is normal, you can pretend things just to show like things are going fine. So maybe adulting is not difficult. It is just confusing of how life is going ahead. क्योंकि बचपन में you just had to decide कि मम्मा chocolate flavor वाली आइसक्रीम or vanilla flavor of ice cream or any other snack I have to choose, or like just like that. And now you have like hundreds of things going in your mind, even though they didn't matter itna much. But the thing is, it is what it is adulting, guys, and I hope everyone just as confused as me, हम सबको लाइक वो एक वे, दैट रे ऑफ होप हमारे मन में हमेशा रहे, ताकि हम लाइफ में ग्रेट थिंग्स अचीव कर पाए जो हम हमेशा से चाहते हैं, और द थिंग इज़ जो हमारे अंदर का दैट इनर किड है वो हमेशा खुश रहे।